Hello there and welcome to another photo adventure from the car this time. I've come out this morning, I've got up, I've come out for a sunrise. It's forecasting clear skies, nice cloud, and guess what? It's absolutely chucking it down. So while I'm here, I'm going to get some photographs while I'm here. I was hoping to do a sunrise vlog, but I don't think that's going to happen now. But the tide is right in, so I'm going to try and catch something when this rain blows through. Hopefully we might still get some colour. There is still blue over that way behind where you are. There's blue sky there, and yet coming from that direction is just heavy rain. It's chucking down. So join me in a bit, and regardless of sunset, you have to think, did it happen? Didn't it happen? You'll find out. Keep watching. So sunrise is actually in 10 minutes time, so I am still hopeful that we may get some colour. I can see now, looking through the valley, that it is starting to clear in the distance. So probably another 10 minutes and this rain should just about blow through, and if it comes through quick, there's a good chance we can still get some colour. You can probably hear Betsy whinging in the car. She wants to get out, she can't wait. So yeah, I think it's just one of those waiting games. There's no point in getting out. The rain is torrential here. It's absolutely chucking down. So I'm going to sit it out and I'll catch you down by the water's edge when it stops. So the rain, I thought it had blown through. I've still got a bit hitting me in the face. We can see the hills now the other side, which we couldn't just. If you look that way, there's beautiful blue sky. If I turn round, we have blue sky up that way. Unfortunately, the sun comes up right over there. I am still hoping for a little break and maybe it light up. I'm going to hold out. Betsy, get here. I'm going to hold out. I'm going to go and find a composition and line the camera up, and I'll talk you through the shot when I go and find it. So for this composition, as you can see, Betsy is posing. I'll move that out of the way. Betsy's posing here. We've got this beautiful green mound, some rocks on it as well, looking out across the loch to the mountains. The sun should come up round about there. I'll put the box where it is. As you can see, it is very dark, so although I am still holding out for maybe a little tiny bit of light colour, I don't think it's going to happen really. So this video, rather than be a sunrise video, is probably now going to be just another landscape video. And what a beautiful place to take a photograph. It looks stunning. As you can see by the colour cast, everything is blue. So rather than coming into golden hour, which we should be now, it is holding blue hour because of the dark clouds. Looks fantastic. If this shot turns out any good, I'll put it on right now for you while we wait for the sun to try and make an appearance. Today I'm using the Canon 5D Mark IV and a 16 to 35mm lens. There are links below in the description to all the gear that I use. As you can see here, there is bits of grass and stuff moving. So on this image, what I've done is I've set the ISO up to 800 at f11, and that's given me a 20th of a second, which I'm hoping will just be enough to just freeze the grass. Maybe a little bit of movement, I don't mind. As you can see, it looks beautiful. If you like the comment, if you like the picture, drop me a comment and give me a thumbs up. Yeah, we are starting to brighten up now. There's still rain in the air. It's hitting me in the face. Looking over the hill that side is blue sky. So I am thinking when that comes down, we may just get that very light little bit of colour, which is what I'm hoping for. There's only other chance. I'm only here now for 2 days, so tomorrow has got to be a lot better. It's the best day of the week for me weather-wise. So if I don't catch anything today, I shall have to try hard at tomorrow. But again, it's raining again now, so I think I may just retire back to the car and get dry. It is chucking down now actually, so back to the car. So again, it is absolutely hammering down. I've just got back in the car and it's just whoosh gone. I can't see the mountains straight opposite again. The visibility is just that bad. So I've jumped in the car quickly. It's believing it's set the GoPro looking up the valley. It is beautiful and clear. What behind us is clear. It is just where the sun's coming up and the mountains opposite. This rain has just appeared over the mountains. So yeah, time to sit it out and just wait for the rain to knock off. And I'm parking literally 30 foot away from where I'm taking photographs, so I can just get shelter in the car, which is a nice thing. Another beautiful thing with the Isle of Mull is you're never too far from the car, so if you do get bad weather, we are in Scotland, remember, you can just jump in the car quick, literally 10, 15, 20 minutes most, it'll blow through and you can carry on with your photographs, which is what I'm going to do today. So join me again when this knocks off and we'll be back down trying to line up that same composition. I'm going to shoot it just literally vertical and horizontals. If I can see anything else, I'll shoot that as well, so I've got a bit of variety. But this is absolutely beautiful place. It's a fantastic loch. Loch Na Keal. Loch Na Keal is where we are. It's full of otters. Because we're on high tide, they're not going to be out. They tend to come out low tide, otters do. There are usually eagles flying about, sea eagles and golden eagles. So it's just a fantastic island. If you haven't been before, come to the Isle of Mull. It's beautiful. So patience could be paying out. I'm just going to spin you around. Have a look up there. And if you look this way, we just have a little bit of orange coming into the sky. So I'm going to just zoom back and to where I was first and try and catch, because I do like that composition more than the one I've just shot right now. So I think I was about here somewhere, and I'm now just going to try and catch up. Let me set that photograph then. I'm now just going to try and get the composition back how I was before, roughly. We have got some beautiful orange in the sky now, and oranges and blues. It looks fantastic, this does. Let's get a quick shot there for the foreground. I'm going to get the shot and then I'll talk you through what I'm doing in a moment, because I don't know how long this colour is going to last, so I am just bracketing a few shots. So I should have an image there. It looks fantastic. I'll turn you around. You can just see the bits of orange coming in the sky now, and we have the difference between the orange there to the right and the blue to the left. I'll show the back of the camera quickly. So as you can see, we have beautiful blue going to orange and then to purple. It looks fantastic. It just shows it was worthwhile hanging out. Literally 30 seconds ago, say a minute ago, it was just grey and very dark, and now we're just lighting up. So it's not a fantastic sunrise, but we have got beautiful colour there and I'm loving it. So I'm going to get off the GoPro now, take a couple more shots, and I'll put this on for you right now. So I'm now going to I've just turned the camera around to face through the valley rather than facing towards the mountains there. I've now turned around because there's some beautiful blue and orange in the sky. And I'm just trying to make the most of this little bit of colour that is in the sky. That's what I've come out for. That's what I want to try and concentrate on if I can. So again, I'll just show you the back of the camera for this shot. So with this shot, I'm just doing a focus stack. And what I'm doing is, I'm shooting this first shot at 0, focused on the grass in the foreground. And then the second shot, I'm on the mountains, and I'm just underexposing a third of a stop, just to get a bit more detail into the sky. It looks beautiful. Just lift you up so you can actually see the colours now. They are starting to fade very quickly, so I think I've only got seconds left before I do lose it. Looks absolutely incredible. I'll put this photo on at the end of the video for you. So as you can see now, the sun is just starting to break through, the colour's fading. It was well worth the wait out because I have got some fantastic colour, some beautiful purpley oranges and blues in the sky. Looks amazing, it does. I'm just looking at the camera now, and I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro. I'll lift the GoPro up. There is some blue, and you've got the sun's trying to come out as well. On the back of the camera, the sky looks amazing. I have just took another photograph of it, and I've also shot this as a vertical as well, just because I'm loving the foreground. It looks amazing. It's a beautiful line going down and pointing straight over. Yeah, as always, like and subscribe to the video. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and I hope you're liking the content on here. I am going to start putting videos on soon. I keep saying it, but I will, of how I edit photographs in Photoshop and Lightroom, and I'll be doing some tutorials on how I bracket, how I focus stack. These images will all be focus stacked today. Because I just want maximum detail from front to back, and the only way to get it really is focus stacking. It's quite easy to do, and I will do a video on focus stacking shortly. But yeah, here are all the photographs, and until next time, take it easy.